We are going to be talking about the important people you should never ignore whenever you want to buy a land. If you ignore this, you are taking a very big risk which is going to backfire against you. Never ignore these people. Some people, because they want to save money, they don't want to spend, they ignore these people. See, some of these people are regretting today because the money that they save, they have spent maybe 2 times more than that money to go to court cases. The time that they say, no, we don't have time to do all these things, they have spent years trying to resolve cases. Do not make this kind of mistake. Whenever you want to buy a land and you want to do it in a safe way, always go and see these people. They will help you a lot. The first person that you need to see is a legal professional. Always go and look for legal consultation or for consultation of a lawyer when you want to buy a piece of land. Ask for advice. They will tell you what you have to do, what you don't have to do, the various process you have to follow for you to be able to buy land legally and have legal security over that piece of land. And even when you want to sign your document, your land transfer agreement, always bring them there. They should come and do the deed of conveyance for you. They will charge you, yes, but that charging is going to be security for you. You are paying for your peace. Just go and pay it. Even if they ask you how much, pay it. It will save you a lot. You'll be able to sleep well if you've done the necessary due diligence. If you confirm the ownership, you confirm the accessibility, you confirm if there are disputes, you confirm the authenticity of the document. Because there are certain documents that are fake. It is a lawyer that will help you to determine those fake documents. But if you go and you skip a lawyer, they will give you a fake document. You yourself will not be able to verify those documents. And as a result of that, you are going to have problem. Always verify the authenticity of document. This is what they call due diligence, investigation, research that you are doing to see how authentic the process, the document are, the person are, and all the rest, right? I've made a video about mistakes not to do whenever you want to buy a piece of land. You can go and you check that video. It's going to really be very, very helpful to you. The second person that you have to see when you want to buy a land, it depends if it is a customary land, is a chief. Do not buy a customary land without seeing a chief. Like if I'm not mistaken, it's not at all possible to buy a customary land without the chief, right? Do not go and see them. Go and see them. They are the ones that have the right to sell customary land to you. Don't go and see a notable behind and then he sell the land to you. No, do not go and do that. Only the chief has the right to sell a land that is customary, right? Always go and see them. And when you see them, if possible to see the notables, also see them, because that is also going to help you avoid problem. If it is a family land, always see the family head and make sure that all the necessary members of the family that have right over that piece of land has come and have consented or agreed that you should buy that land. There are land that belongs to a family. It does not belong even to the family head. Yes, it's true, he's the head of the family, but he's not the alpha and omega when it comes to that land. The brothers, the sisters, the cousins, the aunties, they also have a say to the land. Go and see all of them. Let all of them consent, sign and written and give you that we've accepted that this man should sell this land to us. Is going to be something that is very good and is going to help you a lot. Another person that you have to see whenever you want to buy a land is a licensed surveyor. A licensed surveyor is the only person that is eligible to provide a survey plan for you. So if you go and buy land without going and seeing them, you are wasting your time. And don't only see any kind of surveyor. See those that are licensed, those that are registered in the National Order of Surveyors. This is important because there are surveyors that are not registered. They cannot give a good thing to you, right? The thing that they will do to you will not be valid by the state. And that is how some people might find themselves redoing everything the second time because they wanted to save money or because of this. See, when you want to buy land, there is nothing like saving money. Follow the right procedure and do the right thing, and you are going to be at peace. Do the contrary at your own inconvenience, right? That is it. Another person that you don't have to neglect it. These people are very powerful, are the neighbors. See, never neglect neighbors when you want to buy the land. It is the neighbor that will open your eyes to things that those people are selling the land are hiding to you. They are the one that will tell you that there is a dispute. They are the one that will tell you that this person does not have the right to sell this land. They are the one that will tell you that this land have already been sold to other people before. They are the one that will give their consent, right? You need neighbors. Let them come, search, go and look for them. Ask them information. Even if you can maybe motivate them, then do it, right? If they ask you motivation, then motivate them for them to be able to give you the information. Because one simple information that a neighbor can give you can save you forever from millions of deals and also from future of suffering, hatred, and headache and court cases. go and see the neighbor, especially those people who have land around the area that you are interested in buying. Let them give you the history of that particular land. And if maybe you come, the neighbor as somebody that just bought the land also, go and look for the ancient neighbor who know the history of that land and see them, right? These are very important people you don't want to neglect. Another person that you have to see are what? Witnesses. Never buy land alone. This is the worst thing you can do, to buy land alone. You always need witnesses. You need witness. You need people to see, to testify that in this day, at this time, this person bought this piece of land from this person at this location. I was there. I saw it. He gave that money. The person accepted that he's going to buy that land. When you do like this, when there's going to be difficulty tomorrow, they will come and testify for you. They will come and witness for you, and that is going to help you. But when you go behind you and you buy a land because you say, I don't want anybody to know that I am buying a land, I want to do discreet thing, then like, let me first of all laugh. Then you will learn tomorrow, right? So do not do that. Always look neighbors. Always look witnesses. And look for people who are very honest. Look for people who are men of integrity. Not look for people who have two mouths. Somebody that are easily corruptible. Look for people who are honest people, who are not moved by money, who are truthful people. These are the best people to witness for you. And at times, always look for people that are not member of your family. Because if you bring member of your family to witness for you, somebody can say you've corrupted them, you bribe them, and they are coming and witnessing for you. Look maybe for neighbors, people that maybe does not have any interest in the land, but who knows the history of the land, and who have higher weight for them to be able to witness about you, right? Regarding that, look for those kind of people. Witness are very, very important, right? And neighbors at times are the best people to witness when you are buying a piece of land. When we are talking about neighbors here, we are not talking about your neighbors. We are talking about neighbor to the person that has that land, or neighbor to that land that you want to buy, or neighbor to that house or building or property or anything that you want to buy. People who are neighboring that land place and they have very good idea of the history. Those are the best neighbor you have to bring for them to witness for you. See,